Hey friends, and welcome back to my channel. Today is an exciting day because I have joined the Allison Pennington creative team. She is a digital designer over at the Sweet Shoppe, also at the Lily Pad. And today I'm working with her beautiful collection called Rearview. This is a re-release, but one that I have not played with or not had in my possession before. So what I'm showing is a few of the things that I printed out and prepared for my hybrid layout. Rearview is what I consider a reflective collection. It gives you opportunities to think about the past. I always say that Allison's reflective kits allow me to think about myself in the past in positive ways, and they feed my soul. And this one was no different. And so what I wanted to do, this pattern paper that you see right here, this is how it was designed with the exception of the scribbles and the star scatters that you see in either corner. I added those, they're digital elements in the kit. I added those to the pattern paper before printing, just to add a little bit to the background. And what I'm doing here is cutting a little bit around this beautiful, this is what drew me in to this pattern paper. These beautiful daisies that are white on black. And there's something so moody about it. And when you look at it, when I look at it, I feel like I get lost in thought. And so, but what I wanted to do was tuck a few things behind these flowers as well. So once I've printed it out, I went ahead and cut around it so that some of the elements can be tucked behind. So another element that drew me into this collection are these beautiful pink peonies. I believe they're peonies. I really wanted those on my layout. And so the two elements that you see, the larger piece is a journal card, and then the piece that I'm tucking in right here is one of the elements in the collection. And then the months, they're all individual in the collection, and I brought them into one piece, just in a column there, and printed that out as one piece. And one thing that you'll see that I did in a couple of ways here is bringing digital elements together and then printing them out as one piece. And one of those things is this label right here. I added the little snap to it. The snap is a digital element. And the look ahead words are also individual elements in the collection. They're actually the alphabet in the collection. And I added those all together, added the letters all together to spell look ahead, and added that to the label after printing. And this is a fun way to use some of those digital elements that you're not quite sure how to use, or you don't really know if it'll print and cut okay. Add it to something else and then print and cut. So for my photo for this layout, and I hate it got cut off a little bit here in the video. My idea for the page in general was, you know how when you pull out old files and you open the files and you're looking at the first thing that's in the file or in the middle of the file or whatever. And this paper that has something stapled to it, like a photo stapled to it. And then the thing that's stapled to it also has something stapled to it at the bottom. And that's the sort of idea that I was going with here. So the photo has two digital elements added to it, the scribbles again, and the pink peony again, and the opacity on that has been turned down. The little tag, and then also the little journal spot. And just a quick note about my thought process behind the layout. This was, it made me think about a little bit about my experiences in the classroom throughout my school years, college years, seminary years, and how oftentimes I heard that I was a pleasure to have in class, and I would get 97s and A+, but man, it still had an impact on me. And so that is sort of what I was thinking about while creating this layout. Thanks so much for joining me today. I hope that you enjoyed this process for Allison Pennington. I'll have links down below for you so you can find the product quickly and easily. And I'll see you back here again real soon. Bye-bye.